Alright, today I'm going to try and convince everyone to try growing Lillian's Caseload peas. If you remember the last video I showed you, they were just about ready to pick. And today I decided to go out and pick a batch for lunch. Actually, more than lunch, but you can see they're nice and plump. They're ready to eat. And these are the absolute best peas we have ever had. They grow nice. Usually there's between 6 and 8 in a pod, and they're all basically about the same size, and they just have a sweetness and flavor that you've never had before if you haven't tried them, and they cook up so nice and tender. So I just wanted to show you that, it is harvest time and they're finally ready, and Kiwi loves them too. She approves. She'd wait for them to hit the floor as we were sitting here shucking them. The big thing about peas like this is it does take time to shuck them. Some people like the sugar snap type. They eat the shell and all, but I really prefer these. And there's a little thing from what AI says about the history of it. It was a sweet, plump, potted heirloom shelling pea that was saved from extinction by a Mennonite farmer named Lillian. And so there was a history behind this, and if it wasn't for Lillian, they would have been gone by now. So I'm just trying to convince everybody to just put a couple of these in the ground. They do really well. You have to keep animals from eating them when they're small. Birds and stuff like that like to pull them out of the ground too. But they are, one of the best tasting peas that you'll ever try. So we're just gonna clean them here, and then we're going to throw them in the microwave for a couple of minutes, and that's what you get. You get more of a mess than anything, but you can see they're all just beautiful. So we're just going to microwave them and have them with a little bit of fresh beet greens and some light brown rice and a tuna steak for lunch. Really great. Give them a try. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.